After we received the equipment, take out the instrument. Then take out all the accessories. Confirm the accessories first. First we can see the light guide arm. Light guide arm, pulse head. The key. Pulse head, F equals 100. Light guide arm wrap with buckle. There are also replaceable pulse deflectors. Here, by rotating this, we can replace with the gynecologia treatment header. The lenses for gynecologia treatment head. 90-degree head. 360-degree head. The plug. Eye mask. Foot switch. Dot matrix head. After we get the light guide arm. First, open the dust cover. Look at this pulse head. Please pay attention, they are two parts together. The parts of F equals to 100. This part are together. If you need remove it, you have to take this part off together, not just the lower half. Now we start to install them. Then take the light guide arm by our hands. You need to turn it with a 90-degree bend here. Just do turn around like this. You saw it had turned around. This light guide arm can be installed now. Pick it up now. When installing, we open the dust cover first. There's a screw here. We can twist it out with our fingernails. After twisting it out, let it bulge out. If it protrudes, you can install the light guide arm in it. Then screw this screw in. Then open the multi-core aviation plug. There is a reminder label here. We must look at this label. When we disassemble anything, be sure to look at this label. This label indicates that this line cannot be taken out when the machine been powered on. If you want to plug and unplug, be sure to turn off the equipment firstly. We plug it in now. Let's install the light guide arm first. Remember to keep the light guide arm in vertical. If it is not vertical, if you bend it at an angle, it may not fit in. After installing it, we tighten this screw. You can use your fingernails to make the arm been installed in vertical. The light guide arm will be more stable. Now we install the dot matrix head and take this wrap tape. First, we need to put the dot matrix head. Be careful to protect it, don't fall to the ground. Then we straighten the pipe. We must seize this dot matrix operation head. Find the corresponding position and insert it. We can see that there is a bayonet here. After we got in, to tighten the knob in blue part. Then we check it if it will be loose. If won't, it's fine. Then we see that there is a trachea on the dot array head. This end is already connected. Then we get the other end. The other side of the. When we connect this trachea, we have to take this tracheal nozzle off first. Put it into the trachea. Then cover it back. Put it on the gas nozzle. Tighten this lid. After tightening, we see the dot matrix head has a red cover. We pull it apart. Straighten the pipe. We install the dot matrix head on the light guide arm. Let's roll it up. We'll leave enough for this side. Operate the activity space here. The rest we can go to the back. On this side of the surface we can connect. This wrap can be used repeatedly. It's no problem to peel it off and stick it on. Now we completes the installation.